Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Welcome to Kiddie Chic, the ultimate destination for all things related to decorating and organizing kids' wardrobes. Our YouTube channel is dedicated to helping parents and caregivers create stunning, functional and delightful spaces for their little ones. At Kiddie Chic, we understand that a well-designed wardrobe can make a world of difference in a child's daily routine. From newborns to preteens, we are here to guide you through the exciting journey of transforming your child's closet into a magical and organized wonderland. Join us as we dive into the world of imaginative ideas, type projects, and practical tips that will make your child's wardrobe a joy to explore. Our channel is packed with creative inspiration, step-by-step tutorials, and expert advice to cater to different age groups, styles, and budgets. Discover the latest trends in kids' fashion, explore clever story solutions, and learn how to create themed wardrobe that reflect your child's unique personality. From adorable baby clothes to trendy teen ensembles, we have got you covered. Whether you are looking to revamp your little princess closet with whimsical decorations, create a superhero inspired wardrobe for your little hero, or organized a shared space for siblings, Kiddie Chic has the ideas and inspiration to help you every step of the way. Our engaging and knowledgeable hosts will take you on virtual shopping trips showcasing the best wardrobe essentials and accessories for kids. We will share styling tips to how to mix and match outfits and offer advice on maintaining a clutter-free and functional space. Join our community of parents and caregivers sharing care